I'll be showing you guys how to enable and disable TikTok restriction mode. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on this three horizontal line. After which you click on what policies and settings. Once you get there, you click on what content preference. So after that, you are going to see restricted mode. Click on it. After which you click on what on. So guys, you simply need to set up your passcode. So all this. After which you click on what's next. After that, you confirm it. So if you want to disable it back, you simply need to click on what turn on. Insert the same password. Next. So guys, that is actually the way you disable and enable your restriction mode on your TikTok account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial.